The secret is finally out. Hlathi now knows that Bavumile is his baby and agrees to do right by him. But now Lazarus has to watch Hlathi be a father to Bavumile while he watches from the sidelines. Ngapha uthumeka ama-chest pains akago uyafokofa and uNtsiki is making things worse. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Lazarus and Zolega arrived at Cosmo to talk to them, and so they sit around the table. Ligamba wanted to excuse them, but Zolega like he's gonna find out anyway, so he'd rather just hear this thing now. And then she starts saying, "Good, hey, Phela Ubavumile is not getting better, and the doctors don't know what they're doing. But when we know what's going on, again Lazarus says it's a spiritual thingy. As I don't want to sound insensitive, but what is going on? But thina singenaphi athi uZolega Hlathi, you are the father of the baby, ungutata umntana. And then uHlathi was shocked, wasukuma wema athi Zolega, I told you njena, I asked you guys, both of you, when I know Lazarus, you lied to me. Nathi umntana kusiyena owami. Look at this now. And then Zolega cele, please come down, please save my baby. Cela nimenzele umsebenzi kamabandla, introduce him to the ancestors. And then uHlathi avume ukuthi he's going to do right by the baby, but he wants to see the baby first. He wants to see the baby face to face. Uthumeka is like shocked when Hlathi said, I came and asked you and you lied saying that umntwana kusiyena wami. Uthumeka is like, how? When did this happen? Why didn't you tell me if you had suspicions ukuba Ubavumile is your baby? uHlathi is not even entertaining that, going on about, yeah, vele they lied to me. Kuyafana, they were going to lie. Yo, ama-chest pains kuthumeka. Uyago untombi uyafokofa because now she was now agreeing to have a baby no Hlathi. And then Hlathi goes to hospital to see Ubavumile. Lazarus is standing outside Shem like a stepfather, or like a on the sideline. Now Lazarus has to watch Hlathi be a father to Ubavumile. And while he watches from the sidelines, like watching from the outside, it's such an unpleasant feeling because Lazarus has been saying that he doesn't want to lose Ubavumile to Hlathi, and this is happening now. Uzola is even like clinging on Hlathi, like now they look like Lazarus watching them looking like a complete family. Uzola no Lazarus beno mntana Ubavumile. It was just so painful to watch. Angasajabulanga uHlathi going on about, hello boy, hello my boy, hello Jambase. Hey, he's so proud. You can just see how proud he is. And then uNtsiki arrives at Cosmo after she had the news about umntwana kuba ukaHlathi. Arrives at Cosmo and says that how could Zolega do this? Funa ukubaleka nembewu kamthetho. And says good to me, hey ntombi sithutshana. I'm sure I'll go uyafokofa ntombi. Like uthumeka was just sitting there looking sad. Akhuze ke ubhuti wakhe ukuthi how, no man, why are you doing this? That's how ngivele ngizwelana naye. Avela sukuma hamba uthumeka. And then she says something very sad. Webhizi, hayi kuzolunga ntombi, kuzolunga. Athi yazini, when is my happiness? Kuzolunga nini for mina? Why is my happiness so short-lived? We're just thinking about having a baby no Hlathi, but now look at this. Athi uNtsiki, I hope kungcono ke cause I hope awukhulelanga ke, you're not pregnant already, because umntwana oyedwa, one baby is already enough for the family. Imagine having two. And then they sit ke, they come back from the hospital. Hlathi updates the family ukuthi he saw the baby. Vele Ubavumile is his baby, and saying that ubona umntwana. Lazarus said to remind him ukuthi igama lakhe Ubavumile. Shem, just still trying to like demand his place in all of this. I think umntwana igama lakhe Ubavumile. Hlathi just continues ignore nje athi, yeah, I'm going to do right by the child. We're going to have umcimbi to welcome the baby tomorrow. To welcome umntwana la kwamabandla in his rightful home, rubbing it in kenjalo. Yo. And then Ekusela, this Mvalo guy from Capital Bank, is busy blaming them, but it turns out the system is actually weak on their side. That's why the breach happened, and you guys not willing to admit that. They try to explain that to him, but then Onga keeps on pushing Mawethu too hard. Mawethu is like, I've done all I could, but this guy keeps on pushing. He tries to talk to Kawe. Kawe seems to be taking Onga's side, saying, we told Onga go you're the best in the job, so show him, prove it to him. Amangalo Mawethu ukuthi, whose side are you on kanti wena? Athi, I'm on Khusela's side. But icacile ukuthi Kawe is already choosing iside lika-Onga, or vele she's just being dedicated or just ambitious new tech who just wants the best for the company. And then Hlengiwe comes back and questions Sydney about the whole Khusela Capital Bank thing. Sydney denies it, but obviously Hlengiwe was going to find out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.